Hi there, this is Angela Myers, and I teach the web design course at VAVA. So I just wanted to go over a few basics. First, this is a semester-long course, not a year-long course, um, so that makes it a little bit of a shorter option for you. And we cover, okay, web design is very hands-on. So there's going to be a lot of coding, your basic HTML. We're even going to use Notepad to create a lot of those web pages. So you're going to learn how to use something that's a very basic text editor, and then save your files as HTML files so that you can open them up as web pages. We're going to talk a lot about web page layout and compositions. We're going to use tables to do that. We're going to create a website with multiple pages. You have links between each page. You have graphics for links. We're going to talk a lot about web graphics, the quality of the graphics, how to create them, how to resize them, what works best, how to lay them out. And then after we do all that, we're going to download Blue Griffin, which is a website builder that after I've taught you the basics, then you're going to get to use a builder. So it makes it a little bit easier, but you understand the basics, and therefore you can utilize that a lot better. And then finally, you're going to finish with a portfolio. So in your portfolio, you're going to take all the work you've done so far and just make different links to everything on there so you have a digital portfolio to take with you. So it is very hands-on. Okay, I can't stress that enough. There's a lot of tutorials. There's a lot of projects that you're going to turn in. You know, it's not a lot of review questions and reading and that kind of stuff. It's more read this, do this, now turn that in to make sure it's right. So what you will and won't do. So you will learn a lot of coding. Okay, you will be very literate as far as HTML code goes. You will obviously appreciate websites that you visit in a whole new way. Okay, once you see web design for what it is, you're more aware of what goes into that and how they use that to program. So I think you'll appreciate web design a lot more. And again, you're going to have the basic understanding of code and how to build a website from scratch. What we won't be doing is anything crazy fancy. Okay, you're going to need a graphic design degree and a lot deeper training to create some of the websites that you're looking at right now. A lot of stuff that we see on a daily basis are created by professionals that have been doing this for a very long time. So it'll be a simple website. It will have links. It will have graphics, but it's not going to be e-commerce shopping. It's not going to be a graphics-heavy, website where things move and do stuff like that. So it is a basic intro, but it is built for an appreciation. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Let me know. Hopefully, we will see you in web design. Bye for now.